The broker-lawyer committee does which of the following? Is in charge of investigating complaint against licensees, draft and revises contract forms for use by real estate license, promulgates forms for use in Texas real estate, determines punishment for licenses violating TRELA regulations. The answer is drafts and revises contract forms for use by real estate licenses. A retired couple has just bought a retirement home with a pier on a large lake. In this case, this retiree's water right extend to the A. The high water mark of the body of water at the shoreline. B. The low water mark of the body of the water at the shoreline. C. Center of the lake. D. The end of the pier. Answer is A. The high water mark of the body of water at the shoreline. 23. A waterfront homeowner has just died. What will become of the water right the owner enjoyed while living in the home? A. They revert to the estate when the property is sold. They are extinguished. They are a personal right belonging to an individual owner, not attaching to the real property. D. The transfer with the property when the property is sold. Answer is they transfer with the property when the property is sold. D. 24. Riparian right concern which of the following bodies of water? A. Lakes. B. Seas and oceans. C. Streams and rivers. D. Navigable lakes. Answer is C. Streams and rivers. A contract for a deed is a classic example of an A. Voidable contract. B. Unenforceable contract. C. Executionary contract. D. Executed contract. And the answer is executionary contract. C. An attachment added to the end of a contract and incorporated in the contract terms is called which of these? A. Exemption. B. Addendum. C. Amendment. D. None of these. And the answer is addendum. B. Executed and executionary contract are differentiated by A. By their enforceability. B. By their structure. C. By the validity. D. Their stages of fulfillment. And the answer is D. Their stages of fulfillment. Which of the following best describes a fixture? A. Any item of personal property positioned within the boundaries of a parcel of a real estate. B. An item of personal property that has been converted to real property. C. An item of real property temporarily placed online for the purpose of conducting a business. D. An item of personal property that has been left in one location for a period of 6 months. The answer is B. An item of personal property that has been converted. 29. An item may be considered personal property as opposed to real property provided that A. The owner intended to remove it after a period of time. B. It can be removed without altering the appearances of the structure. C. Physical integrity of the structure. D. The owner installed it at some time after acquiring the real property. Answer is the owner intended to remove it after a period of time. Two people own a house, each having an undivided equal interest. Which of the following best describes what each party owns? A. 50% of the physical house and the land it rests on. B. 100% of the home and the land. C. 50% of the estate consisting of the individual whole of the real property. D. Each owns 100% of the property. C. 50% of the estate consisting of the indivisible whole of the real property.